Hey, how's it going? So remember when I said this about the Q2? The Q1 had its issues right out of the box, where it sounded really hollow, pingy, it didn't sound good. And it's safe to say that with the Q2, Keychron fixed a lot of those issues. Well, unfortunately, the same cannot be said about the Q3. It feels like there was very little thought and effort put into the design of the Q3. I think Keychron thought that what was working with the Q2, a 65%, would work with the Q3, a TKL, a bigger keyboard. The Q3 has pretty much the same acoustic issues as the Q1. In its stock form, it's quite pingy and hollow. For the Q1 and 2, I praised the stabilizers, but for the Q3, however, it just seems like there was very little effort in lubing the stabilizers. Just take a look at them. It looks like they only applied lube on the bend part of the stabilizer wire. And that was the case for every stabilizer. But yeah, here's how the board sounds right out of the box. Yep, definitely not the best. So here's a montage of me modding the keyboard. And of course, just like the Q1 and the Q2, I'm using switch pads from KBD fans. And if you're interested in a giveaway, I'm giving away this keyboard. This is the Keychron K8 Pro. To enter the giveaway, just comment down below what case color you would like to see Keychron release in their next Q series, rather than just always being black, navy, silver. And winner will be picked live on stream a month from now on May 12th. Now, back to the montage. And now, here's a comparison of how the board sounds before and after the mod. yeah, what'd you think? Overall, I think the Q3 is a good board. With that being said, I am disappointed with the Q3 in its stock form. I just wish that Keychron did their homework on the acoustics for a TKL keyboard. But because there was little effort from their end, that just means that you have to put a little bit of effort on your end. And if you skipped all the way to the end, then you missed the giveaway details that was somewhere in the middle of the video. But yeah, if you're interested with how the Q3 sounds with GMK keycaps, it'll be right here. And that's about it for this video. Thanks for tapping with me, and I'll tap with you guys next time. Toodles!